So good day sir, today I'm going the course output 3, which is the static routing configuration. So here is the network topology that given. So here's the network diagram that we're going to do. So this network topology, it composed of 3 routers with 6 end devices, 2 of each on their routers. So the connection is crossover, then the router to router is serial DCE connection, serial DCE connection here. The next is given. So first thing to do is we'll need 3 routers. So 1, 2, then 3. So we'll rename it as R1, short for router 1, then router 3, then router 2. The next is we'll need the 6 end devices. So PC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we'll need the PC end devices. So PC1, we'll name it as PC1. Then PC1 is under router 3. Then PC2 is under PC1 is under router 2. Then PC2 is under router 1. The next is PC3 is under router 3. Then PC4 is under router 2. The next is PC5 is under router 1. Then PC6 is under router 3. So we will label their number of hosts based on the network topology. So label. So PC1 is 765 hosts. The next PC2 is on 350 hosts. 350 hosts. Next is PC3, which is 50 hosts. 50 hosts. The next is PC4. So PC4 is 150 hosts. The next is PC5. PC5 is 125 hosts. Then PC6 is 900 hosts. Next is we will connect the PC to the routers. So we will use the crossover connection. So router 1 connected to fast Ethernet 0 to PC 2. Next is fast Ethernet 1. So fast Ethernet 1 going to fast PC5. Then next is the router 2 PC1 is connected to fast Ethernet 0. Then fast Ethernet 0 PC PC4 is going to router 2 fast Ethernet 1, then fast Ethernet 0 crossover fast Ethernet 0, ay fast Ethernet 1 pala. So fast Ethernet 1, then fast Ethernet 0. So next is we'll connect now the routers. So we will use the serial DC, but first we will add first a module on this each end devices. I mean and route physical devices, which is the router. So we'll go to physical, then we will turn off the physical device, then we will add the module, then turn on, then same on router 2 and router 3. So off, add the module, then turn on. Next is the router 3. So off, then add a module, then turn on. So now we will now connect the routers. So under router 1, connected siya sa DC serial connection 1 going to router 3. The next is router 2 going to DC serial DCE 0 going to router 1. The next is the serial connection 0 of router 3 going to router 2. Zero. Then mali. So serial DCE going to router 3, router 2. So next thing to do is we will configure the end devices. We will assign the IP address, subnet mask, and the default gateway. So first is the PC2 under router 1. So IP configuration. So we will go into addressing scheme. So PC1 IP address 192.168.7.254. Then subnet mask is 255.255.254.0.54. Then next is the default gateway is 192.168.8.1. 168.8.1. Next is the PC5 under router 1 IP configuration. So IP configuration. So fast Ethernet's PC5. So IP address 192.168.11.126, and subnet mask is 255.255.255.128. Then default gateway is 192.168.11.1, 168.11.1. Double check. Next is the PC1 under router 2. So IP configuration, PC1 IP address, so 192.168.7.254. Then subnet mask is 192.168. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.254. Then default gateway is 192.168.4.1. Next is the PC4. So desktop IP configuration, PC4, so 192.168.10.254. 192.168.10.254. Then subnet mask, so subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, and default gateway is 192.168.10.1. Next is the PC3 under router 3. So this IP configuration, PC3, so 192.168. router PC3 192.168.11.190. Then subnet mask is 255.255.255.192. Then default gateway, so default gateway is 192. Default gateway PC3 192.168.11.129. The next is the PC6 under router 3. Desktop IP configuration, PC6, so 192.168.3.254. Then subnet mask is 255.255.252.0. Then default gateway is 192.168.0.1. The next is we will now configure the three routers. So we will start on configuring the router 1. So router 1, CLI, then would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog? No. Then enable, configure terminal. Configure terminal. The next is enable secret class. So enable hostname pa pala. Hostname router 1. Then enable secret class. Then no IP domain lookup. Then no IP domain lookup. Then banner MOTD. Banner MOTD unauthorized. Unauthorized is strictly prohibited. Then number sign. Then line console 0. Then password Cisco. Then login. Then line VTY 04. And password Cisco. Password Cisco. Then login. Next is we will configure the fast Ethernet 0, then fast Ethernet 1 under router 1. So interface fast Ethernet 0/0 the fast Ethernet 0/0, then kanyang IP address and subnet mask. IP address, so IP address fast Ethernet 0 192.168.8.1. Then subnet mask is 255.255.254.0. The next is no shutdown. So here is nagpop-up na yung kulay green. So which means that the connection is up. Next, the fast Ethernet 1. So interface fast Ethernet 0/1. Then IP address is fast Ethernet 1, so 192.168.11.1. Then subnet mask is 255.128. Invalid marker. So yun. IP address 192.168.11.1, then subnet mask is 255.255.255.128. then no shutdown para mag-pop up na yung kanyang connection. No shutdown. So double check yun, nag-pop up na. The next is yung kanyang serial connection 0 from router 1 going to the router 2. Serial connection. So enter. So interface serial connection 0/0/0. So then IP address is router 1 serial connection 0 192.168.11.194. then subnet mask is 255.255.252. So next is no shutdown. So successful na, pero di pa rin nakikita kasi hindi pa nako-configure yung router 2. So router 2 or router 3. So next is the interface serial connection. Interface serial connection ng interface serial connection of 1. Interface serial connection 0/0/1. So IP address so 192. IP address 192.168.11.201. then subnet mask is 255.255.252. next is magka-clock rate tayo since siya ay DCE connection, serial DCE. So clock rate so 9600,006. then no shutdown. So successfully na. So next, so dito is hindi pa siya nakikita kasi hindi pa nako-configure yung other routers. So next is exit data dito, exit. So next is the we will configure the connection of we'll configure the connection of routing table of all devices, so now connected to each router. So under router 1, is configure natin yung PC1, PC4, under the router 2 we'll configure the PC2, PC1, PC4, then the PC3 and PC6. So we'll configure the PC1, PC4, PC3, and PC6. So kunin natin is yung network address ng PC1. So PC1 is under 765 hosts. 765, so IP route network address 192.168.4.0. then subnet mask is 255 is /22. So /22 is 255 255.252 255.255.252.0. then kanyang exit route, so 192 exit route is yung 192.168.11. So exit route is the serial connection 1 ng router 2. Ito. So serial connection 192.168.11.193. The next is exit route of router 2. I mean the PC for 150 hosts. So 150 hosts. So kung natin yung network address ng 150 hosts under PC5, so IP route that so one IP route that 192.168 that 150.10.0 10.0. then subnet mask is /24 255.255.255.0. then exit route niya is same sa serial connection 1 ay serial connection 0 ng router 2. So yung exit route pala ng PC4 ay PC1, the 765 host is the router serial connection 0 ng router 2. So the same 168.11.193. Next is we'll configure on the router 3. So PC nya is PC3 and PC6. So we'll go for the PC6. So PC6 is under 900 hosts. So PC6, so IP route 900 hosts 192.168.0.0 that 168.0.0 Then subnet mask is /22. So /22 is 255.255.252.0. Then yung kanyang exit route is serial connection 1. So exit route niya is serial connection 1 ng router 3. So ito. So serial connection 1 ng router 3. So serial connection 1 ng router 3. Connection 1 ng router 3. So exit route is 192.168.11.202. Next is the PC3 under router 3. So PC3 is number of hosts of 50 hosts. So 50 hosts 192. IP route 192.168.11.128. Then subnet mask is under 26/26, so 255.192. Then exit route niya is the same. Mali. So exit route is the same pa rin. So ito, serial connection 1 ng router 3. 192.168. So 192.168.11.202. So enter. Next is the default route ng router 2 and 3. So IP route 0.0.0.0.0.0.0. Then kanyang exit route of router 2 is the 192.168.193. So yung serial connection ng router 2, serial connection 0 ng router 2. So exit route 192.168.11.193. Ito. 11.193. Next is the default route of router 3. So IP route 0.0.0.0.0.0.0. Then exit route niya is yung serial connection 1 ng router 2. Ay, router 3. Serial connection 1 ng router 3. So 192.168.192.168.11.202. Then so we're done on the router 1. So next is exit natin to. So we'll proceed now on router 2. So first thing is PC configuration. So no. So enable configure terminal. Configure terminal. Hostname is router 2. Then enable secret class. Enable secret class. Then no IP domain. Lookup. No IP domain lookup. Valid marker. No IP domain lookup. The next is banner MOTD. Number sign unauthorized. Unauthorized is strictly prohibited. So number sign. The next is line console 0. The next is password Cisco. Password Cisco. Login. Then line VTY 04. Then password Cisco. Then login. So now we will configure now the fast Ethernet 0 and fast Ethernet 1 under router 2. So interface fast Ethernet 0/0. Then IP address. So IP address 192.168.168.4.1. Subnet mask is 255.252.0. Then no shutdown. So tingnan natin. So yan, green na. So that means is nag-up na yung kanyang connection. Next is the fast Ethernet 0, fast Ethernet 1. So interface 0/1. Interface fast Ethernet 0/1. Then IP address so IP address 192.168.10.1. Then kanyang subnet mask is subnet mask 255.255.255.255.0. The next is no shutdown. No shutdown. So check natin. Ay, up na yung kanyang connection. Next is the serial connection. Serial connection ng router 2. Serial connection 0. So interface serial connection 0/0/0. So pass Ethernet. So interface IP address. So IP address ng serial connection 0 and the router 2 is 192.168.11.193. Then subnet mask is 255.255.255.255.255.255.252. Then next, since serial DC connection, so we will clock rate this. So clock rate 9600 clock rate. Then no shutdown. So check natin. So up na yung connection ng serial connection ng 1 and 2. Then yung serial connection sa connected sa 3 is hindi pa kasi di pa nako-configure yung router 3. So next is the serial connection 1 ng router 2. So interface serial connection 1 IP address ng serial connection 1 ng router 2 is 192.168.11.198. Then subnet mask is 255.255.255.252. Then no shutdown. So up na, check natin. So hindi pa kasi nako-configure yung router 3. So hindi pa siya nagkulay green. So exit. Next is we will now configure the connected end devices to the router 1 then router 3. so which is the PC5 and PC2 sa router 1, then PC6 and PC3 sa router 3. So first is the 125 host. So 125 host, meron siyang IP route, 125 hosts, PC5 125 hosts. Kung natin yung network address, so 192.168.11.0, then subnet mask is /25, so 255.255.255/25.255.128. Then yung kanyang exit route is the serial connection of router 1, serial connection 0 ng router 1. So ito, serial connection ng router 1, serial connection 0 ng router 1. So kunin natin serial connection ng router 1, the 192.168.11.194. Then next is PC2. So PC2, meron siyang 350 hosts. So 350 hosts. Network address ng 350 hosts is 192. So IP route 192.168.8.0.0. Then subnet mask is under /23, so 255.254.0. Then exit route is the same for the serial connection 0 ng router 1. So ito, exit route, kunin natin yung serial connection 0 ng router 1. So 192.168.11.194. Next is yung PC6 and PC3, so under router 3. So PC6 900, PC6 is 900 hosts. PC6 is under 900 hosts, so IP route, then network address 192.168.0.0. Then kanyang subnet mask is under /22, so 255.255.252.0. Then exit route is a serial connection. So exit routing na natin. Serial connection 1 ng router 3. So kunin natin yung serial connection 1 ng router 3. 192.168.11.202. So 192.168.11.202. 168.11.202. Next is yung PC 3 under 50 hosts. So IP route 50 hosts. So 192.168.11.128. And next is yung kanyang subnet mask 50 hosts. So /26 is 255.255.255./26 is 192. Then yung kanyang exit route is same. Exit route, tingnan natin. Exit route is same for the exit route yung serial connection 1 ng router 3. So ito. So 192.168.11.202. Mali. 19 IP route 192.168.11.128 and subnet mask is 255.255.192. Then exit route is 192.168.11.202. Next yung kanyang default route ng router 1 and router 3. So IP route 0.0.0.0. So 0.0.0.0. So exit route of router 1 is 192.168.11.194. So yung serial connection 0 ng router 1 natin kukunin sa kanyang exit route. So 192.168.11.194. Next is yung default route ng router 3. So IP route. So 0.0.0.0.0.0 and 0.0.0.0 and IP exit route of router 1. So 192.168.11.202. So next is the configuration of router 3. So exit natin to. Sa router 3 na tayo. li, then no. Next is enable. So enable configure terminal, then hostname is router 3, R3, then enable secret class, then no IP domain lookup, then banner MOTD number sign unauthorized is strictly prohibited. And number sign, then line console 0, and password Cisco, then login, then line VTY 04, then password Cisco, then login. Next is you will configure now the interface fast Ethernet 0 and fast Ethernet 1 on router 3. So interface fast Ethernet 0/0 and IP address is 192.168.4.1, and subnet mask is 192.168.0.1. Interface IP address 192.168.0.1, and subnet mask is 255.252.0. So next is no shutdown. Then double check, agree. Next is interface interface was Ethernet 0/1, was Ethernet 0/1. Then IP address is 192.168.11.197, and subnet mask is 255.255.192. Then no shutdown. So double check. So green means up ang kanyang connection. And next is the serial connection. Serial connection of 0. Then serial connection of 1 ng router 3. So interface serial connection 0/0/0. So IP address is 192.168.11.197. Then subnet mask is 255.255.252. So 255.255.192. Mali. Serial connection. 255.255.252. Overlaps with fast Ethernet 01. Normally 197. Fast Ethernet 11 is high. So ito muna. So interface serial connection fast Ethernet 1. Serial connection interface fast Ethernet 1. IP address 192.168.11.129. Then subnet mask is 255.255.192. No shutdown. Interface serial connection 0 slash 0 slash 0. IP address 192.168.168.11.197. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.252. Then since DCE connection, so gamit tayo ng clock rate. So clock rate 9600. Then shutdown, no shutdown. So next is the serial connection of 1. So interface serial connection. Serial connection. So serial connection of 0/0/1. Then IP address 192.168.11.202. Then subnet mask is 255.255.252. Then no shutdown. So double check if nag-up lahat ng mga connection. So green lahat. So next is we will now configure the connection of all PC in router 1 and router 2. So the first is the PC5 sa router 1, 125 hosts. So exit muna natin to. Then IP route so PC5 125 hosts 192.168.168.11.0. Then subnet mask is /255.255.255.128. Then exit route is yung serial connection 1 ng router 1. Serial connection 1 ng router 1. So serial connection ng router 1 192.168.201. Valid input ulit sa exit route. So IP route 192.168.1.1 168.11.0. Then subnet mask is 255.255.128. Then exit route it's 192.168.11.201. Next is the PC2. So PC2 is under 350 hosts. Ito. hosts. Ito, 350 hosts PC2. So IP route 192.168.3.8.0. Subnet mask is /23 255.255.254.0. Then exit route is the same. So the same serial connection 1 ng router 1. So 192.168.11.201. Next is sa router 2. So router 2. So ito PC1 and PC4. So PC1 and PC4. PC1 is under 765 hosts. So 765 192.168.4.0. Then subnet mask is /22. So 255.255.252.0. Then exit route is yung serial connection 0. Exit route is yung serial connection 0 ng router 2. Router 2. So 192.168. 192.168.11. .168.11.193. Next is the PC4. PC4 under 150 hosts. PC4. So IP route the 192.168.150 hosts. PC4 150 hosts. .10.0. Then subnet mask /24 255.255.255.0. Then exit route is the serial connection 0 ng router 2. So the same pa rin. .168.11.193. Next is yung kanyang default route ng router 1 and 2. So IP route IP route 0.0.0.0 and space 0.0.0.0. Then yung kanyang exit route of router 1 is 192.168.11.201. Next is yung IP route ng default route ng router 1. So 0 IP route 0.0.0.0 ulit 0.0.0.0 and 0.0.0.0. Then exit route is the exit route 0 connection 0 ng router 2. Yung 190 0 connection 0, so 192.168.11.193. So tapos na yung configuration. So exit. So let's try to say the simulation. So simulation, show all none, edit filters, so ICMP, click. So lalagay tayo then PC2, then PC1 to PC6, then PC4 to PC6, then delete PC1 to PC2, PC3, PC1 to PC6, then PC4 to PC2. And next is PC3 to PC6, then PC6, so PC6, to PC4, then PC2 to PC1, then play. Successful. successful. Successful.